I was a wedding photographer, and I was doing engagements. I lived in Atlanta, but I was doing engagement sessions on the North Campus at the Arches. And then I found I could go free, and I was there, and I just went in and talked to them, and one thing led to another. Then we kept shooting weddings, photographing weddings in Athens, and we just fell in love with Athens. So we decided to move here. One day I just realized maybe this cat needs more than Chick-fil-A food. So I bought a little 2-pound bag of cat food and started just bringing it by in a little baggie and leaving it Monday through Friday in the mornings. And I'd leave a larger supply on the weekends. So I did that for not even quite 2 weeks before the cat disappeared. If we could find the cat, maybe get the vet school involved, because I'm hoping the cat's still on campus somewhere, that we could get the cat health care and then have it adopted by a student. The other option is possibly a student's already taken the cat home and adopted. If that's the case, maybe this article could have them come forward and let us know the cat's okay.